Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. My channel is filled with tips, tricks, and hacks and everything you could ever need about volleyball. So today, I am going to my volleyball league. If you've been wondering where I've been sick. If you can hear my voice, I've been sick for like ever. So, I've been in this volleyball league for about 5 weeks now or so. Our record's 19-1, so we're doing really good, and we have a really tough game tonight. So I said, you know what the heck, let me go ahead and film it. But last week I got the worst cramp of my life in my leg, so I made sure this time to get a banana, and I already ate one, so this is my second banana. Girl, real deal. This is what happens when you start to age. You start to feel it, and then you have to start stretching more. This is what happens when you grow up, guys. I'm starting to feel it, okay? I'm starting to feel it. But let's get inside and get warmed up for the game.
Okay.
Alright, so it is much later and you can't really see me, but we ended up winning all of our games. But I just have to say, playing while sick is not very fun because I was about choking, dying. But first, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I will see you guys next time.